So, why on earth do we need fitness trackers? The first and foremost is to help us stay fit, to remind us to exercise when we are feeling lazy. The second is to make our daily life more convenient, like sometimes the phone is not available, but we need to know the time or important messages someone sent to us. Lastly, I guess to act as an ornament. If it's not beautiful, then it's not at least ugly on your wrist. Today, let's take a look at the Huawei Band 3 Pro to see if it meets at least 3 we mentioned above. Let's go. Inside the band, we can see steps, heart rate monitoring, sleep, workout, which includes outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor cycling, and swimming to rest on. It basically covers almost every common sports mode. You can set goals and save them when you are done. However, for all those sports modes we just went through on the Huawei Band 3 Pro, other brands seem to also have the same features like the Mi Band or even less known bands like WeLoop or Markbeats. So what's so special about Huawei Band 3 Pro? Let's take a look at the mobile. Download the Health. Click the plus icon on the upper right corner. Find the Huawei Band 3 Pro. Click to connect. Easy peasy. In the home page of the app, you can directly see how many steps and calories burned in a day, as well as exercise records. Going down is your sleep record. It records your day, week, month, even year. But it's not just recording, it also gives you advice based on your sleep status by using its own True Sleep technology. That really distinguishes Huawei from the bunch. The second column is exercise. You can choose different sports modes and then set goals. And because of the built-in GPS mode, it records your trajectory. You can be as creative as you can, of course. In the Me section here, you can set some basic settings here like notification management, clear cache those. Click on the band to set more, such as do not disturb mode, reach to wake screen. My favorite is the activity reminder because for hardworking people like me, we always forget to move after sitting down working. So to answer the first question, does the Huawei Band 3 Pro help us to stay fit? Based on my several days of testing, it does in every aspect. Especially the advanced app just left almost all the bands way behind. Now move to the second question, can it make our daily life more convenient? Since it comes with 5 ATM waterproofing, you don't have to take it off every time you wash your hands. It automatically syncs all the messages whenever someone sends to you, and yeah, it shows all the full text. Not like most other bands that show on part. And did I mention it has 15 days of standby time? You are never going to worry about battery. Thumbs up for that! For other small details like raise wrist to check time anytime when your phone is not on you, sedentary reminder, find your phone function, etc. Huawei Band 3 Pro does make your daily life much more convenient. Finally, let's talk about the design. Well, different people have different opinion. From my perspective, I'm not super amazed by its design when the first time I saw it, but it doesn't go into something too ugly to wear situation. It's just a normal design for a $60 fitness tracker. What do you guys think about it? Last, I want to mention the good thing about it is you can change the straps to other styles. That makes the strap more versatile. To conclude, I'm pretty much impressed by the Huawei Band 3 Pro based on my personal experience. If the Huawei Band 3 Pro is not the best band in this price range of the bunch, then I think it is at least one of the best. Because of its powerful hardware and software side, beyond that, for a $60 fitness tracker, it comes with a fairly eye-catching 0.95-inch AMOLED touchscreen, GPS, and NFC. It sure can make your life healthier, easier, and happier. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll put the purchase link for the Huawei Band 3 Pro down in the description. I highly recommend to try this if you are interested. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm Sammy. See you next time.